Hey there. Today we're going to make chickpea burgers and a cucumber aioli. We are going to add our chickpeas first into the mixer so that they can kind of get smoothed out, but we want to leave some texture in them. Get that started. You want to start on low first and then slowly move the speed up. So for time's sake, I've already sauteed up some onions and celery. And I'm going to add that into the mixture now. And it adds a really nice flavor, but also some good texture. Next, I'm going to add some fresh parsley. And if you don't have fresh parsley, you could use the dried. Then I've got smoked paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, and some oats, again for a really nice texture and to help bind these burgers together. I'm going to add some minced jalapeno in here because I like a lot of heat, but you can omit this if you don't. Now I'm going to mix this all together, and I have reserved on the side some chickpea liquid, also called aquafaba, and I'll add this if I need it for the burgers to be moist. And now let's get mixing these all together. All right, so you're just gonna wanna get your hands right on in here to form these patties. Pat it around. And there you go. And these burgers are great because they're really healthy. They've got chickpeas and veggies, but they also pack a lot of flavor with the Old Bay seasoning and jalapenos if you use those. We're going to put these into the oven at 375 degrees for 40 minutes, and you'll want to just flip it halfway through. Now let's get started on the dressing. So I've got some veganese as the base already in the bowl, and I'm just going to add chopped cucumbers to it. Just mix that together real quick before adding the other ingredients. Squeeze of lemon. And I like to keep my hands here just to catch any seeds, and I'll use the whole half. Now some salt and pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper. Let's just mix it together, and that's it. Let's get them on those buns. There we go. Add some aioli. Yum. That is a great burger. Thanks so much for joining me in my vegan kitchen.